Nice little V. We're out here at the Solon Auto Show. Cat is up from Florida vehicle. We'll go across and look at this one here. Where? Well, where is he? Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Beautiful. Just pulled in. Huh? So, when they still drive fast, they still drive nice, dirty or not. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit.
I think this is kind of like Gary's SS.
Okay. The SS. Let's see what they have under the hood. Well, it was something wrong with it? Excuse me. BMW. Oh, you're good. Don't worry about it.
It's simple. Wrong. This isn't too bad. Well, I like you can crawl underneath and change oil. You don't have to jack it up. Change oil. Which part? Any of it. Right. There's more than just motor oil.
Spider Viper.
You want me in a picture?
Sure, if you want to. Tell them it's your car.
Oh, it's all the way back there.
Okay. What do you have?
Jaguar.
Okay. Have a C5.
Yep.
Yep.
Are you in that Corvette club?
No, I'm a loner, like Chuck Norris. Hey, how you doing?
I don't know if I put one of these in your car, but stick it.
Another little Volkswagen, but my favorite is the blue one.